Hello guys, it's me. I'm giving you a pre-recorded pre-test for So You Want to Be President. If you look in the classwork PowerPoint, you'll see the directions for what to do. You should know by now. Go into your literacy notebook, go into the table of contents, date it for 12/1/20, title it Spelling Pretest, So You Want to Be President. Then go to the next available page in your literacy notebook. Do the same with that blank page. Number just down 1 through 25. And this week's words are words with EAR in it, IR, OUR, and UR. Okay, so EAR, IR, OUR, and UR. I will say each word, read it in a sentence, and then I will repeat the word. Number 1, return. The doctor will return after lunch. Return. 2, courage. Sometimes it takes courage to tell the truth. Courage. Number 3, surface. The water's surface was choppy. Surface. Number 4, purpose. What is the purpose of the story? Purpose. Number 5, first. Jan came in first in the race. First. Number 6, turkey. I bet you guys had a lot of turkey last Thursday. Turkey. Number 7, herd. We heard a dog barking outside. It is the past tense of hear, heard. Number 8, early. I woke up early today. Early. Number 9, turtle. A tiny turtle hatched from the egg. Turtle. Number 10, birthday. The birthday party is on Sunday. Birthday. Number 11, journal. Did you write in your journal today? Journal. Number 12, courtesy. Saying thank you shows courtesy. Number 12 is courtesy. Number 13 is nourish. Composting is a great way to nourish plants. Nourish. Number 14, purse. Jen left her purse in the car. Purse. Number 15, furniture. I moved all my bedroom furniture around today in a different spot. The word is furniture. Number 16, search. Dad had to search for his keys again. Search. Number 17, curtain. The kitten climbed up the curtain. curtain. Number 18, burrow. The chipmunk hid in its burrow. Burrow. Number 19, hamburger. Do you know how to make a hamburger? Hamburger. Number 20, survey. The survey found that people love scary movies. Survey. 21 through 25 are challenge words. Remember, they have the E-A-R, I-R, O-U-R, or U-R in the word. Number 21 is turquoise. The silver bracelet contains a beautiful turquoise. Turquoise. 29, absurd. His absurd jokes kept the audience laughing. Absurd. 23, furthermore. She is a vet, and furthermore, she is a surgeon. Furthermore. Number 24, flourish. The conductor waved her baton with great flourish. Flourish. Number 25, nourishment. A baby's nourishment comes mainly from milk. If you have to back some of the words up to go back, you may do so. Otherwise, take a picture of it and send it to me through Seesaw. I will see you guys. Hopefully you'll have this done before our 9:45 session so we can go over these together and check to see what you got right and what you got wrong so you know what to study. Okay? We'll see you at 9:45 for this.